Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily check directions to your RSH Smart Tag ITAG03. So I don't have the AirTag with me. As you guys can see, it says that it's at home. And yes, it is, but it's definitely not with me, otherwise it will be right here. So if we want to check directions, we just click here and it will automatically show our location and estimate the ETA, so estimated time arrival. Basically, it's not completely accurate. As you guys can see, it's not even close to me because whenever I try to play the sound, it just won't connect. But the last location, as you guys can see now, it's connected. If it's not connecting, then you just need to move around your home. This is one of the issues. And now, as you guys can see, it connected right now, but before it did not even try to connect, it just said that it wasn't available. And I'll remind you, it was in the same location. So sometimes the directions might mistake you, and you guys can use play sound to find it. But if you have the AirTag somewhere else and not at home 24/7, then those directions might help you find it. So that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.